We have an equation with some exponents in it. Those exponents are fractional. That doesn't matter. It doesn't change what we do. Anytime we're solving an equation, we start by trying to order of operations in reverse. So I'll look to the left side. I'll check to see if anything can be added or subtracted. Of course, we can see there's nothing there. No big whoop. Then we'll try to see if there's anything that can be multiplied or divided. This 4 here should be gotten rid of next. I will divide both sides by 4. The left side becomes x to the 5/4 power. And the right side, 128 divided by 4 is going to be 32. So I took care of that. I will now work my way up to exponents, and the whole lesson here is the way to get rid of an exponent is to use the reciprocal exponent on both sides. On the left side, these would multiply together, making 1, which effectively cancels the exponent, so it's just x. And then I do want to check the numerator of the original problem. It was an odd number, so I don't need to include any kind of plus or minus in my answer. I'm just going to go ahead and evaluate 32 to the 4/5. I need to think about a number that multiplies by itself this many times to make 32. That number is 2. And I'll raise that 2 to the 4th power. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 makes 16 as my final and only answer. If I wanted to check my work, I can bust the old calculator out and take 16 to the 5/4. If I type it in my calculator exactly this way, it will tell me that it equals 128, which means this is the correct answer. Good luck.